It is your determination and persistence that will make you a successful person. Hi guys, this is Sujata and you're watching GrammrENG, English grammar for ESL students. In today's class, we are going to discuss a new word, a new vocabulary. The word we are going to discuss is languid. Languid. Pronunciation for this word is languid. 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 Languid is an adjective because it describes a noun. As you all know, noun is the name of a person, place, thing, and animal. All the names are called nouns. If a word describes a noun, if a word gives more information about a noun, it is called as an adjective. Now, let us look at the meaning of the word languid. Languid means lacking energy. Lacking energy. A languid manner. A languid voice. Action without energy is called a languid manner. Voice without energy is called a languid voice. So, languid means moving or speaking slowly with little energy, often in an attractive way. If you move or speak slowly with little energy, often in an attractive way, you are described as languid. Now, we are going to discuss the synonyms for the word languid. These are inert, sluggish, weak, inactive. So, languid means inert, sluggish, weak, inactive. Now, antonyms. Opposite for the word languid are active, energetic, vigorous. So, languid means without energy or spirit, without interest or enthusiasm, sluggish, inactive. Now, we are going to use the word languid in a sentence. Look at this example sentence. The work processed at a languid pace. The work processed at a languid pace. It means the work processed at a weak pace, slow pace. The work processed in a sluggish manner. So far in this class, we have discussed the meaning and usage of the word languid. Hope you have enjoyed this video. If you find this video informative, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.